We are at home cooking with msbrendadee. So welcome from msbrendadee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some old-fashioned hot pepper sauce, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing y'all some of my red and green jalapeno peppers. This is not all the peppers that I have. And I also have some distilled white vinegar. And I don't know why I got all that water there, y'all, because I'm not going to use hardly any of that. And I also have some canning and pickling salt. Y'all, those are our only ingredients. Okay, y'all. Let's get to making our old-fashioned hot pepper sauce. Here I'm showing y'all a few clips of me sterilizing my mason jars and lids, and maybe on a future video I will show y'all a step-by-step video. Here I'm preparing my peppers for slicing. Now I'm removing the tips off of them. Some comes off pretty good and there are some that doesn't, so it all depends. Like that one, it came off pretty easily. Here I'm preparing to wash my peppers. Okay, here are some of my peppers that I have washed off. What I did, just ran them under some cool water to make sure they're clean. Okay, here I'm slicing up my peppers. You don't want them real thick. You want to, cut them where they'll be able to go in your mason jar easily. I'm showing you how thin I have sliced mine. I'm going to continue to slice my peppers up, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, in the pot, you go ahead and put your vinegar in there and add you a little water. Here I have added my salt. I'm making sure my salt had dissolved, and I'm going to turn my heat off. Now that my vinegar is ready, I'm going to add my peppers into my mason jars. And I'm going to make it like in a uniform design with like green, red, like that. So that's what I'm doing now, is placing my peppers in my mason jars. You try to stuff them as much as you can. Now I'm adding my green ones. Isn't that pretty, y'all? These will make great gifts like around Christmas time. Green and red peppers. And y'all, you do not have to use these type of peppers. I'm using the jalapeno peppers, but you can also use other peppers beside these peppers. You can also use the ghost peppers or the habanero peppers. Okay, I'm going to continue to place my peppers. Like I said, make sure you stuff them. Sometimes you can push them down to the side. If you like, you do not have to slice them this way. You can slice them the long way as well. Here I'm placing my pickling vinegar in my jars. And I'm going to put the lid on them. To let y'all know, this is the refrigerated hot pepper sauce. So you do not have to seal these jars unless you plan on keeping these a long time. Mine doesn't last around the house long as nothing, y'all. so I don't have to seal mine. But in one of my future videos, I'm gonna show y'all how to seal your jars. Here I'm adding my, like I say, I'm adding my pickling vinegar, and I'm adding my lids. It is just that simple, y'all. These can last like up to maybe about 3 or 4 months without being sealed. But like I say, mine won't last, so and they can be kept in the refrigerator. You do not have to make a big batch like I did, because I'm going to share mine. But you can save these in the refrigerator. If you think they may go bad, just save them in the refrigerator. Okay? Here I'm showing y'all something that I do sometime when I'm pickling my peppers. I add a little onion and garlic in mine. You do not have to use the peppers all the time. You can add other ingredients as well, you know, to change up the flavor. Okay, here I'm adding my vinegar. Okay, as y'all see now, I'm adding some hot sauce, y'all. Yes, I'm going to add a little extra kick to my hot pepper sauce. I'm just showing y'all the many ways that hot pepper sauce can be made. And y'all, it is so delicious. On what I use mine on is, I like to use it on like fried chicken or baked chicken. You can put them on your pork chops, or, you know, just like you would just regular red hot sauce. Please don't overfill your jar just like I've just done. I'm gonna add my lid. Okay, y'all, here's my finished result. I hope y'all enjoy making this old-fashioned hot pepper sauce. This is something that brings back memories to me. As a child, I used to love that good old hot pepper sauce to go on my greens, sometime my beans. It all depends, but it was so delicious. Okay, y'all. Don't y'all forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell for my new and upcoming videos. I want to welcome all my new viewers and subscribers. I want to tell y'all, welcome to my channel. Love y'all so much. Okay, like always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now.
At home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit.